Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on a leave-in conditioner, and today you're going to see me apply this leave-in conditioner. This is the ANiM Naturals. This is their chia seed leave-in conditioner, and before we get into the application and me telling you about the results of this leave-in conditioner, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. So this leave-in conditioner from ANiM Naturals promises to be moisturizing. It says it's a leave-in conditioner enriched with chia seed oil that restores dry damaged hair. It also says that it's effective in softening and detangling hair to maintain healthy hydrated hair, and it's for all hair types. Now you can see me apply this on my hair, and this was very surprising. This really did surprise me because the consistency of it is very light. However, when you apply it on your hair, you can actually feel that there is product going onto your hair. There are so many products on the market that are just so lightweight that when you put it on your hair, it kind of disappears and you just have to put more product and more product and more product. Not with this at all. It's lightweight. You don't have to use a lot of product, because when I looked at how small this was, I was like, 2 wash days and it's done. You don't need to use a lot of product. It gives amazing slip, so it's great for detangling. It's very moisturizing. The application was really nice and it surprised me because, as I said, it's so lightweight, but you can really feel it coating your curls and moisturizing your curls as well. This is a proudly South African product, and it says here at the back that it's made in South Africa and in Cape Town. The ingredient list, the first ingredient is water. There's not a lot of ingredients on here, which is very impressive. When it comes to the packaging, they don't have anything on the packaging about sulfates, silicones, parabens. Now, when I say this in my videos, I like brands to put it on the packaging, because there are so many of us who are not that savvy when it comes to the ingredient list on products. So having that information front and center really helps us when we shop. But as I said, there's not a lot of ingredients on here. It contains coconut oil, there is some chia seed oil, there is some vegetable glycerin in here as well. But check this out, I did buy it at Clicks. These are the results here. I have it in my hair and my hair is soft. As a leave-in conditioner, it plays well with lots of stylers. It delivers on moisturizing. Application is easy. I like the results. My hair is moisturized throughout the week. So overall, I'm happy with this leave-in conditioner. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video on a South African brand. It's the ANiM Naturals Chia Seed Leave-In Conditioner. And as I said, I'm happy with the results. I was pleasantly surprised. I like the application. Drop your comments down below if you've tried it, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.